police are trained to uphold the supremacy of public safety and taking dangerous and armed criminals into custody. But when the bad guys open fire, immediate neutralization of life-endangering threats is the paramount consideration. Much like the exchange of gunfire between cops and a band of armed and notorious grocery robbers at the NLEX freeway last Friday, as summed up by Ryan Lesigas in this report.
The Philippine National Police or PNP maintained that its personnel followed the rules of engagement during the encounter between police officers and the armed suspects along the southbound lane of the Bukawi Toll Plaza of the North Luzon Expressway or NLEX in Bulacan last week. This comes after the armed encounter left many motorists traumatized. Traffic came to a standstill at the Bukawi Toll Plaza on Friday afternoon.
Pinahinto tayo lahat.
Oh my God, nagwawari na. Oh Lord, totoo ba? Ano meron?
This happened after a series of gunshots rang out. A video taken by a motorist also showed several men on the run and appearing to be wearing police uniforms while carrying high-powered firearms. Moments later, they were seen apprehending individuals. According to Police Colonel Alan Ray Co, Acting Chief of the Public Information Office, the operatives initially intended only to arrest the suspects who were on board a van. However, the suspects allegedly opened fire, forcing the operatives to return fire, which led to the gun battle.
Primordial concern po palagi ng ating kapulisan is the safety of the public. But we had to do this way dahil nga pinuputukan na po sila. We had to quickly neutralize yung pong threat to the police officers as well as to the general public.
Co said the suspects were allegedly responsible for a series of robberies targeting mini grocery stores in Pampanga, Tarlac, and Batangas.
First one was in a convenience store, yung e-tap daw. Data siguro yung machine na nagdi-dispense ng ano. And then the other one is attempted robbery. They were confronted by the guard, pinaputukan. And O-Save sa Magalang, Pampanga, and another convenience store po ulit sa Victoria.
Authorities said they had been surveilling the group for some time, tracking the van they used. They eventually intercepted the suspects on Friday after they traveled through Pangasinan and Tarlac before reaching Bulacan.
Pagka yung lethal na po yung force na in-apply, our police officers are authorized to retaliate.
Thank you, sir.
Then, nakita po naman natin, di ba maraming tao talaga doon, it cannot be helped. Ang gusto po natin sana, hindi doon sa place na yon, but doon na po nagpang-abot, doon po sila pinutukan.
3 people were reportedly injured in the incident and taken to the nearest hospital for treatment. Multiple criminal charges have been filed against the arrested suspects. Ryan Lesigas for The Nation.